Wow, she's so serious, guys. She's really good. Ang galing-galing niyang magtuhog. Wow, ang galing niya. Ang galing ni Aling Maliit, guys. What did you do? Ano, Sia, did you bite it? Did you bite the string so it doesn't, fell down? Let me see. Let me see how do you do. Wow, she's so good. It's fine now. We need to tie up now. Wow, para sila ni Mami Mita niya. Ang galing-galing ah. Wow, ayan, malapit na siyang matapos, guys, sa kanyang bracelet. She's making her own bracelet. Wow. She's only, 1 year old, guys. Sia is 1 year old. Are you 1 year old? Sia, are you 1 year old? How old are you, Sia? Huh? Oh, she's turning 4. She's turning 4. I thought she's only 1 year old and she can do her bracelet. Wow, I'm so happy with her. She knows now, she learned. Mama Ellie teach her how to do it, right? Am I right, Sia? Sia, she cannot talk, guys, because she's biting the other string. If she doesn't bite the string, it will fall down everything. Oh, she's very smart. Yan. Yan, that's her beads. She pick her own beads. Akin na, tatali natin. Akin na yung kamay mo. Ilagay mo dito yung kamay mo. Wow, it's too long.
Madami na akong bracelet.
Oo, malaki masyado. We need to less some. Wow, she make this everything, guys. She's very good. Give me your hand. Give me your hand. And then you can make another one again. Mama Ellie will make what do you call this? The rubber band. Yan. Come closer, Wow. She's so good, guys. She cannot just tied up, but wait, we need to tie up a lot, so yan. That makes them guys, that makes them busy. That's why I have these beads. So, and then they are learning also. She just don't know how to tie it up, but she know how to tuhog. Wait, I need to tie a lot, so it's not easy to. Ayan, I need to put a lot of. Ayan. One more. And then Zia will cut the string. Ayan. Only Pia. Teach Pia, okay? Cut it. Yan. Wow, guys. She's so good. Yan. Thanks for watching. You say that. Thanks for watching. Ayan. See you again next time. And she's making another one, guys, because she has, what do you call this? Aunt. Her aunt is 4 years old. Ayan. She's making, so she doesn't get jello, she said. So she make her aunt, for another one. Ayan, she make her sit, guys. Ayan, she remove her slipper and then sit on her slipper. Ayan, she's very smart girl. Ayan, she bite again the string. She's very smart, guys. She have a patient to make. She cannot talk much when she's making. She's just very serious. Ayan. She cannot reach. So she make a way to sit. She's very smart. Ayan. She's very smart girl. Little girl. Ayan. Ayan. Madali lang yan gawin niya, guys. Yan. Very serious siya. Ayan. Siya lang gagawa niyan. Yan. Kita mo yung mga bata ngayon. Matatalino yung mga bata ngayon, guys. Ang galing nila. Yan. Madaling turuan yan, batang yan. Isang beses ko lang siya pinakitaan. Ayan. Alam na niya. Magtali lang hindi niya kaya. Kasi ba mabagsak. Kaya I'm helping her to tie it up. Yeah. Wow, nakailan na. Nakailan na yan. Wow. Yan, she's almost done on her second bracelet. Ayan, wait. Yan. Wag mong isagad kunti lang. Ayan, natapos na yung kanyang pangalawang bracelet.